In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank items in your accounting software. To get started, head over to the accounting section and open bank accounts. From there, choose the option to reconcile items. This is the area where you compare the transactions coming in from your bank statement with the records already stored in your accounting system. The goal here is to make sure everything lines up correctly so your books stay accurate and up to date. Once you're in the reconciliation screen, look to the left side and find the bank statement line you want to work on. This is the transaction that has come in from your bank and now needs to be reviewed. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct item by checking details like the amount, date, and any reference information shown. Being careful at this stage helps prevent mistakes later on. After you've located the transaction, the next step is to decide whether you need to match it or create it. If the transaction already exists in your accounting records, choose Match. This will let you search for an existing invoice or recorded entry that corresponds to the bank statement line. Try to find the record that most accurately reflects the transaction, and make sure the values and timing are consistent. If you don't see an existing record that fits, then choose Create instead. This is the option you'll use when the transaction has not yet been entered into the system. Creating the transaction directly from the reconciliation screen can save time and helps keep your workflow efficient. Just be sure the new entry reflects what actually happened in the bank account. As you complete the match or create process, pay attention to the right side of the screen. When everything has been entered correctly, that area should highlight green. This visual confirmation is important because it indicates the transaction is balanced and ready to be finalized. Once the right side turns green, go ahead and click OK to confirm. That final step completes the reconciliation for that item and tells the system that the bank statement line has been properly accounted for. And that's it. Open the reconciliation screen, find the transaction on the left, choose whether to match or create, and confirm once the entry highlights green. If you work carefully and review each item before approving it, reconciling bank transactions becomes a quick and reliable part of your accounting routine.